Hear me out, man. I know connects. I know some real big people. Like I could get you moving some weights.
You sure? Alright then.
Yo, you see, territory in other business, yeah? You have to respect it, yeah?
Oh, so what you are doing? You know what I'm doing?
Yo, bad man. At 5 o'clock, you know. Where I deal with. Answer your phone now. You think me fuck, man? You think me I call you for chat to you for nothing else but money?
Yo, boss.
Yo. You know it's been 2 weeks now, right?
Yo, everything good, man. No worry, man. We just running on local traffic just a while ago. So you don't know me and forward the thing same way, man.
If you don't have my money or my goods by 5 p.m. today, you know that's a 10% interest charge, right?
Nah, man. Everything good, boss. It's just a little traffic.
I'm gonna have to kill somebody today.
Hey, what's up?
Hey. Hey, Mel. You know there's a competition going on? It's $10,000 for the winner. I think I'm gonna enter. What you think? Yeah. Alright.
Check. Engineer, drop it.
Yo.
Remember them artists that I was telling you about?
Yeah, man, I'm there in the studio work on a project, man.
I got some business for you, man.
Just come link me in the studio, yeah?
Alright.
Yo, all on brother. I'm there, you know, see. So, I'm for a thing, no dog. I say, yo, don't the gang thing, no dog. You know what I mean? You have much talent, my youth. You know what I say, dog?
Yeah.
Come make some money and for a singing thing, dog.
You know what I mean, man?
Thing, dog.
Serious thing, no, virgin, because you right now, we use up off a robbing on the thing, you know, dog.
Now the link, you know that already.
Yeah.
So if you're serious, we can reach our studio one hour.
The only thing I'm money, me say, no big man.
Yo, we have a challenge, no brother. You know what I mean? So no one can make it, you know that.
Alright,
There's
let's see
some
how
push
it
talent out there.
Yo,
Studio.
clear for rob people, you know, you.
Oh,
Yeah, man.